This conference will now be recorded.
Hello everyone, welcome to Analytic Solutions channel. In this helpful tips video, I will be teaching you how to convert a date into month name. Before learning this, if you are not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel. Here we have a column with order date and ship date. Suppose you think that you want to convert this date into a month name. It is very easy to convert. First step, we'll just select these cells where we have the month. Press Ctrl 1, we get the number format tab. We can select this custom, and here in this custom type we can press M. M is for month. Press once again M, and if you press 3 M's we'll get the abbreviated name of the month. Press OK. We can see that automatically we'll get the month name. Suppose if you want to get the full month name, again press Ctrl 1 and make it 4 M's. We can see that we are getting a complete name. Click OK. Now I'm getting this full month name. This is very simple. There is another way of converting the dates into month. Let's go to this example. We can convert these names, the month into month names, by going to this Power Query editor. But how to go to this Power Query editor and edit these months? Let's first convert this into a table. So for that, we'll go to this insert and click on this table, or we can also use shortcut key Ctrl T. Let's click on this table, and I'm converting this data, the range, into table. Next step, we'll go to this data. Here we have this get data, and we have from other sources, and click on this from table range. When I click on this table range, this will take me to the Power Query editor, where we can easily convert the date into month name. All right, now we have got that table into this Power Query editor. Select the column on which you need to convert the date into month. I've selected this order date. If you want, you can also select this ship date. Right now, I'll just convert only this order date. Go to this transform, and here we have this date and time column. Click on this date. Here we have this month. If you think I want to modify the existing column, then you can use this transform. Click on this date and click on this month name, that is name of the month. Or in case if you want to retain this column and if you want to add another column, we'll go to this add column. Here we have this from date and time. You can click here and say change this to name of month. Now when I click on this, a new column will be added, and we get the month name in the end of the table. Let's close this. We'll close. Now if you see this, the access will come back to the Excel, and now we get the month name. So likewise, we can change a date into month name easily. If you think there are any other ideas of converting the dates into months, please do comment in our comment box. I hope this video was useful. If you think that this video was useful, please do share, and please click like button if you like this video. And if you're not subscribed yet for our channel, please do subscribe and encourage us. And keep watching our channel for more informative, innovative, and interesting videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.